It's been 5 years since 10 million barrels of the country's oil reserves were illegally sold below market value. But now the end to the saga might finally be in sight. After 3 days of arguments in the Western Cape Division of the High Court, settlement agreements could be reached with the 8 companies that bought the stock. But it's likely to come at a major loss to taxpayers. Lindsay Dentlinger has more.
Strategic oil stocks sold illegally for 5 billion rand, at least 2 billion rand less than they were worth. Former Energy Minister Tina Joemat-Pettersson said at the time it was merely a stock rotation. But her successor confirmed to Parliament in 2017 that the country's oil reserves were indeed sold without an open tender. The Central Energy Fund has now asked the court to set aside the sale. It's heard bribes of at least 1.3 million rand exchanged hands. Joemat-Pettersson has been labelled reckless and delinquent for allowing the transaction. But the Strategic Fuel Fund says the companies involved can't claim innocence in the matter. Agreements are now being drafted to compensate companies for the losses incurred as a result of the botched transaction. An in-principle agreement has already been reached with Glencore to reverse the sale and repay the money for 3 million barrels it bought. Judgment in the matter has been reserved. Lindsay Dentlinger, Cape Town.